Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on a NOKIA XR21. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. You might as well see this arrow pointing up. No matter, click on it and then go to the settings. Now find Password Manager, and here make sure that Save Passwords is on. Now we can go back and look for any website that we can log into. In this case, I'll be using Facebook. And here, enter your credentials. Then a password. And when we hit the login button, we'll be able to save this password with a pop-up. Now we can go back to the password manager the same way. And here on the bottom, you'll find the website that you've tried to log in. When you click on it, you'll be able to change the username for that site, also the password. Just enter whichever letters you like. You can also click on this I button to preview the password, but it doesn't work because I don't have a password set on this device. But if you have a lock screen set up, then simply click on it and the password will show up after you unlock your phone. Now the last option which we can do here is to click on this bin button to delete the password and the username from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.